Welcome back to Therapy Thursdays. I'm Dr. Jerry Yarborough, physical therapist and owner of Physical Therapy and Balance Centers in Ruston and Jonesboro and now El Dorado, Arkansas. Today we're going to be talking about chronic pain. Chronic pain is defined as pain that lasts longer than 30 days. And chronic pain is a whole different story from acute pain, pain that, just happened. And the treatment of it is quite difficult. But one very important to treating chronic pain, or managing chronic pain more than anything, is nutrition. So we have our friend here again, Ashley Peters. She is a senior student at Louisiana Tech in their nutrition and dietetics program. She'll be graduating here in the spring, and she's just going to educate us on some issues with nutrition and chronic pain.
Yeah, thank you so much for having me today, Dr. Jerry. So when I think about chronic pain, I think about inflammation, and there are a lot of nutrients in our food systems that actually target inflammation. So when you think about inflammation and you think about nutrition, you really want to lean upon your phytochemicals and your fiber, which are found in our fruits and vegetables. So a variety of vegetables and a variety of fruit. I know when we think about vegetables, we think about broccoli and we think about carrots, but expanding your palate to maybe picking out some Brussels sprouts, all of those have really special compounds within them that really nourish our bodies and cut down that inflammation. And along with nuts and seeds are also, they hold a variety of omega-3s and omega-6s, which really just nurtures in our bone systems and our bodies, our muscles, and really cut down that inflammation. And just having that variety of different foods and being able to nourish our bodies with those really cuts down on all the inflammation. We also see a lot of inflammation when we have stressful lifestyle choices. And by cutting out stress, by making simple shifts like meditation or physical activity, can really help decrease inflammation within our body. I know that we talk about nutrition when we talk about physical activity and how they really come together and play a vital role in everyday life. And just by combining those two can cut down a lot of inflammation within our bodies and hopefully help with that chronic pain.
All right. Thank you so much. Wow. I tell you, I'm 53, and as we age, we get a lot of inflammation and start to, experience some chronic pain sometimes. And I can really personally feel a big difference whenever I eat certain things or don't eat certain things that can lead to that inflammation, because inflammation, causes pain, it causes stiffness, and decreases your mobility, and it's just a negative cycle. So come back in the next segment, and Ashley is going to give us some good takeaways for you to start doing immediately. See you in the next segment.